So S-101 is a standard for electronic navigational charts, which are used by mariners to navigate all types of vessels. And these charts are produced by hydrographic offices. And it's a modernised version of the current S-57 ENC standard that's been around for more than 20 years. Yes, a really good question, and I guess I'd summarise a number of benefits. One is that S-57 is effectively frozen. I mean, it's difficult to upgrade systems, to introduce something new or to change a symbol. It's necessary to get a whole new piece of software installed on your vessel, and that can be quite costly and difficult. In S-101, we can introduce new things and new symbology much more easily through updates, a bit like you would on your mobile phone installing a new version of an application. So for mariners' situational awareness, when they're berthing or entering a port, they would have a better understanding of how the currents are going to affect their vessel, for example, whereas currently they might have to consult different books or other electronic publications which aren't on the chart display. So it gives a better situational awareness, and that's some feedback we've heard from pilots and other operators. So ENCs can currently be updated fairly quickly, but it does vary. I guess the major difference with S-101 is that it provides a base layer on which other dynamic information, such as tides and currents, can be presented in a much more clear way, and they're effectively enabling dynamic charts where things move and you visually see the currents on the chart display. I think there's some potential for that. I guess one of the big differences is the scale of the information. So for navigational purposes, the data may be very useful at large scale imports. It may need to be at a different resolution and different scale for use for ocean science and other activities. With the publication of S-101 edition 2.0.0, we're really entering a period where testing is key, and we need people to implement, test and validate the standards, including getting that crucial end user input to refine them further. And because they have the flexible ability to update the standard, as we identify things through testing, we can further extend and improve S-101 based on that feedback. So exciting to see that progress.